Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Z Fold 5 case for under $10. So most Z Fold 5 cases, or Z Fold cases in general, you guys know are about $40, $50, $60, even up to like $80 to $100 depending on hinge protection, screen protection, you know, how rugged they are, that kind of stuff. So I got this $8 one on eBay. Link will be down below if you want to check it out for yourself. It was like $8 and some change. Free shipping, got here pretty quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this thing and see exactly what you get for $8. This is the shipping envelope it came in. It's just upside down because my address is on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little unpouching, I guess you could say. Like I said, just to see exactly what you get for $8. So that is the only thing in there. Here is the case right here. And honestly, I mean, it doesn't look, right off the bat, doesn't look too bad. And this is a two-piece case, just together like that. So there we go. I've got my Fold 5 right here. We're gonna take my S Pen case off. I've been looking for ways to put this S Pen on another case, and I was gonna maybe try to see if I can 3D print something and have like a little piece I could attach, just like a clip. But my 3D printer doesn't really work, and I don't really want to fix it. So maybe another idea I had was maybe get like a cable clip, like one of those sticky cable clips, and put it on the back of a case that would hold the S Pen. Don't know, I haven't really tried it yet. Just kind of, you know, playing around with some ideas to see if I could kind of make my own custom S Pen case. A lot of people are using like a Spigen S Pen case and using the top half of that because the Spigen S Pen case, it goes on the front half. So they're doing that and putting their own back on there. But that case is like $50, so I haven't bought one yet. So this is like a hard plastic right here. It's not like a silicone or TPU style. I don't see any adhesive on there, which as of right now I am okay with, as long as it stays on. So we'll have to see how well it stays on. But there is that part, and there is some plastic on the back. Alright, I hate this plastic that doesn't seal all in one. And then we have more plastic on the very, very back. A pull tab would have been nice. Alright, so there's that half. Go ahead and snap it down here on the phone after get that off there. It is a pretty tight fit, and I say that in a good way, not like it's hard to get on, but I say that as in it's, you know, not gonna fall off. So let's go ahead and give it a open. Alright, so it stays on, stays together. It's not hitting anything, not pulling off when I open it. And you know, sometimes they tend to slide, especially the ones that don't have adhesive, but this one on there it's got a pretty tight fit along here on the edge, so it slid on and kind of snapped on there. So you know, this piece right here is kind of, you know, loose a little bit, but they all, you know, they're all kind of like that anyway, especially if you have one with adhesive that you take on and off and it wears off. But I mean, it's not for $8. I mean, this is a pretty nice case for $8. Something I can just take on and off in between reviews and stuff like that, and not have to worry about wearing out the adhesive. Nice clear front, so if you want to use another back, like if I want to put my S Pen case back on, it's got the plastic stuck to it now. If I want to put my S Pen case back on, I can keep that same front on, and it'll match up pretty nicely. So $8, not a bad deal. I'd say go ahead and check it out. It's a pretty solid case in my opinion. You have a nice button cut out right here for your fingerprint sensor, so you can get into your phone very easily. You just put your, you know, easy thumb fit right there. The volume buttons are covered, but they do work very well, pretty clicky, so no issues there. So like I said, I will leave a link to it in the description if you want to check it out on eBay. Thanks for watching. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.